No doubt that coffee is the world's favorite hot drink, and a whopping 2.25 billion cups are drink every day globally. That might seem like too much of coffee addiction, but it isn't bad as it may seem. Really? For millions of people around the world, the best way to start the day is with a warm cup of coffee. But did you know that besides its invigorating aroma, reviving taste, and distinctive flavor, your cup of coffee contains a bunch of benefits for health and well-being? In this video, I will be revealing to you 26 amazing facts about coffee you probably didn't know about. If you are new here, consider subscribing to the channel so that you won't miss interesting videos like this, and you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. As a drink that so many of us love, it's easy to geek out on coffee. But what do you really know about your favorite drink? Well, today I came up with 26 very interesting facts about coffee you probably didn't know, and it pretty much explains why you might want to get yourself a cup of coffee right now. 1. Coffee can improve energy levels and make you smarter. So smartness and energy? I'll take it. Caffeine in coffee absorbs itself into the bloodstream, where it travels to the brain. Once it's in your brain, it stimulates neurotransmitters, which enhances the brain's ability to function. Coffee actually improves memory, mood, energy levels, reaction times, and cognitive function in the brain. 2. Coffee may lower your risk of different diseases. Type 2 diabetes is a well-known disease. It's known that coffee reduces the risk by 23 to 50%, even as high as 67% in some cases. Each cup is actually a 7% reduced risk of developing type 2. It's actually unknown why coffee reduces the risk, but who's complaining? 3. Coffee can fight depression and make you happier. Coffee alters the mood and provides a calming sense for many people. I actually know this as a personal experience. There's nothing like walking into a coffee shop and taking in the aromas. It's soothing, isn't it? Well, studies have shown that by drinking 4 or more cups a day, there's a 53% chance of less common suicidal feelings. There's also a 20% chance of lowering depression in women. Sounds like the world needs more coffee in their lives. 4. Coffee may help you live longer. Yes, you heard that right. Coffee helps you live longer. Studies show that men have a 20% lower risk and women have a 26% lower risk of death. So, coffee. I'll take 2 right now. 5. Coffee appears to have protective effects on the liver. So we all need our liver in order to protect our bodies. Well, coffee helps that too. Coffee actually protects the liver against cirrhosis. On average, a study shows that people who drink 4 or more cups a day can have an 80% lower risk of getting any type of liver disease. 6. Coffee can help you burn fat and improve physical performance. The caffeine in coffee is a proven natural substance that burns fat. Studies have shown that caffeine increases metabolism anywhere from 3 to 11%. Caffeine can also increase fat burning by 10% in obese individuals and 29% in lean people. Too bad these effects can wear off in long-term drinking. So how exactly does caffeine increase burning off those few extra pounds? Caffeine improves adrenaline levels in the body, causing fat cells to break down body fat. Physical performance is improved by 11 to 12%. It's the natural fight or flight structure in our brains being turned on. Who doesn't need that help in order to get motivated for their daily workout routine? 7. There are essential nutrients in coffee. A single cup of coffee contains vitamin B2, 11%, vitamin B5, 6%, manganese and potassium, 3%, magnesium and niacin, B3, 2%. So by drinking a few cups a day, those amounts really add up in the daily dose that you need. 8. Boosts brainpower. Coffee with sugar can turn you into a little genius for a while. The combination of caffeine and glucose instantly activates the sense sectors of your brain. The caffeine present in your cup of coffee acts as a mild stimulant to the central nervous system. As a result of this neuroactivity, adrenaline is triggered that will affect your body in several ways. It increases your heartbeat, blood pressure rises, breathing tubes open up, and sugar is released into the bloodstream for extra energy. Also, depending on the level of your intake, it can potentially help to improve attention and concentration. Warning: never drink coffee on an empty stomach. This will have the opposite effect on your body. 9. Increases blood pressure. Well, you might have to keep off the coffee if you want to get a blood pressure in the next 2 days. Also, if you often have high blood pressure, you should definitely ask your doctor if you should limit or stop your caffeine intake. However, low blood pressure and hypertension can be a very serious and even life-threatening problem if not treated. A tiny cup of coffee can easily battle a hypertensive episode. This is a condition when your blood pressure is too low. 10. Makes your immune system stronger. The energy-boosting caffeine effect of coffee helps to make your immune system stronger. It is loaded with abundant source of nutrients and helpful chemicals that can aid your immune system. According to scientists from several countries, coffee reduces the risk of premature death. This is mainly because it alters your immune system, making it stronger and healthier. It comes with a lot of antioxidants that plays a crucial role in cancer prevention. It also improves your liver, heart and digestive system. I would recommend to always drink natural, freshly ground coffee. This is because instant coffee has some additional chemical additives that might not be good for your health. 11. It improves your memory. Coffee can boost your mood and enhance alertness and memory. The simulators and neuromodulators obtained from coffee not only boost your mood and productivity but also improves your memory. However, this works only with short-term memory. No need to worry since most of the information is initially stored in a short-term memory. 12. Coffee relieves headache. Caffeine helps to treat headache and migraines. A lot of painkillers and other medicines have caffeine present in them, which makes their effect 40% more effective. 13. Reduces stress. Coffee is a great anti-stress substance because it releases dopamine and serotonin in your body. Both these chemicals help trigger a good mood. A cup or just even smell of coffee can calm your nerves. Interestingly, coffee drinkers have lower risk of depression. Also, drinking 2 to 4 cups of coffee a day can help to reduce the risk of suicide in men and women by 50%. 14. Low in calories. There is only 1 calorie per cup of black coffee. More calories add up with sugar and cream added to the mixture. If a person is watching their calorie intake, they should make sure that they drink it black. 15. Coffee helps you learn better and stay more alert at work. Studies show that people who drink coffee are relaxed and more interested in their work. The caffeine in coffee helps restore and maintain alertness, improving performance and enhancing your mood. It is the perfect brew to get you through the second half of the working day. When studying, coffee helps improve attention and wakefulness, increasing attentiveness, and by that it facilitates learning. 16. Coffee does not interfere with calcium absorption. A popular misconception is that drinking coffee may lead to calcium loss from the body. However, recent evidence has shown that coffee has no negative effect on bone health. And of course, strong healthy bones are a result of a diet rich in calcium. Come to think of it, preparing your coffee with a full glass of milk will actually help you meet your needs in calcium. 17. You can drink 3 to 4 cups a day. For most coffee drinkers, the recommendation for moderate consumption is 300 mg of caffeine per day, or the equivalent of 3 to 4 cups of soluble coffee. 18. Coffee is the No. 1 source of antioxidants. New research has shown that coffee is a rich source of antioxidants, and contributes significantly to your daily total antioxidant intake. Antioxidants can help protect your cells from oxidation and your body from heart disease, cancer and premature aging. 19. Coffee can actually be a tea. Yes, you heard that correctly. Cascara is a sort of tea, also known as coffee cherry tea. It's an infusion made with the skin of a coffee cherry, or berry. Until recently, these skins were discarded after the core beans inside were removed, but now they're sun-dried and bagged for sale. The caffeine is low and the taste is comparable with a fruit infusion or tisane rather than a herbal or leaf tea. 20. A coffee plant can live up to 200 years. When they're sprouting, the top of the plant looks like an adorable little seed, which eventually grows into a bushy plant that can live for 2 centuries. 21. You can drink the world's best coffee for super cheap. Coffee is unique amongst commodities in that even the most expensive bags of coffee are still pretty cheap if you brew them at home. Bill Gates might be able to drink better wine than you, but when it comes to coffee, you can drink the same stuff as the richest men in the world. 22. Coffee actually has more flavors than wine. Some sources put the number of coffee aromatic characteristics as high as 1,500, compared to the 200 found in wine. 23. Coffee grinding is an essential part of the coffee making process. Coffee stales much quicker once it's been ground, so if you're looking to make the best cup of coffee possible, buy whole beans and grind them at home. It's so important that coffee shops often spend thousands of dollars on a grinder in order to ensure an even, accurate, and highly adjustable grind size. 24. Coffee can prevent erectile dysfunction. The University of Texas investigated the relationship between coffee and this medical problem, and they found out that if a man drinks at least 2 or 3 cups, then erectile dysfunctions can decrease with 42%. 25. Multiple people have tried to ban coffee. Back in 1511, leaders in Mecca believed it stimulated radical thinking and outlawed the drink. Some 16th-century Italian clergymen also tried to ban coffee because they believed it to be satanic. However, Pope Clement VII loved coffee so much that he lifted the ban and had it baptized in 1600. 26. Brazil grows the most coffee in the world. Today, Brazil produces about a third of the world's supply of coffee, according to the International Coffee Organization, about twice as much as the second place holder, Vietnam. Espresso means pressed out in Italian. This refers to the way espresso is made, forcing boiling water through pressed coffee grounds. And although espresso has more caffeine per volume than coffee, it would take 3 shots to equal the amount in a regular cup of joe. Drinking coffee is a great way to get together with family and friends. Sipping up, sharing conversations, it lifts our moods, relieves stress and enhances your performance in many ways. So the next time you're looking for something to relax or cheer you up, reach out and experience the invigorating benefits of a refreshing cup of coffee. Do you know any more facts about coffee we didn't list in this video? Kindly share them with us in the comments below. If you find this video informative, kindly like this video and share the video to your friends. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have handpicked for you to enjoy next. We love you.